Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to transfer your Notcoin from your Bybit app, from your Tonkeeper to your Bybit app. So for you to be able to transfer your Notcoin from your Tonkeeper to your Bybit app, first of all, you have to open your Tonkeeper this way after downloading it and verifying it. Though my own has not been verified yet. So the next thing you have to do is tap on Asset, tap on Deposit. Select the last option, which is deposit crypto. Search for Notcoin. So make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawal from. Yes. So I will enter my network, which is Tom. So I will copy the link, and same time I will copy the tag or memo. It's supposed to show here, but my verification has not been completed. That is why it's not showing. So yours will show here. Then you press it and you copy it, then go to your Tonkeeper. On your Tonkeeper, this is my Tonkeeper. Tap on send, enter the address you paste and copy the memo there, paste it here, tap on continue, enter the amount of terms that you wish to buy, then tap on continue to complete your transaction. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to always get notified and to upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.